Hi, this is Mahdi from InstaWebWorks, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Related-List widget of our extension Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. So after you install the extension, it is set up for 3 different modules: leads, contacts, and accounts. And if we go to leads, then you can see we have a button map view. If we go inside a record, we have address toolkit button. And if we go inside the create lead, we'll see this button. This is already set up by the extension, but the related list widget for the map view is not there. We have to set it up. So let's go to account and create an account. So I'm just gonna say shit. Fire there. And click on Address Toolkit. And I'm gonna just say Houston, Texas. Shipping address, Boston, Massachusetts. And populate. So our longitude, latitude is populated. And hit save. Alright, so we have all the information. Let's click on Add Related List Widgets, search for Address Toolkit, and install. And give it a Related List name and save. Alright, it's gonna reload. Now in the Related List, we'll have Address Preview. To click on it, then you will see the preview of the maps that you set up. So this is how you can set up the map view related list widget. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.